Hi, this morning we are doing the second problem for the series that we started the series for the peripheral nervous system. As we explained to you real quick here, this is again the central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is anything related to the nerves that gets outside of the brain and spinal cord. These strands of nerves, those are the peripheral nervous system. Okay, now the problem that we did before was amyloid polyneuropathy, and which is that because of the structure of the nerves changed to resemble a starch, there are problems. There are a lot of problems. Poly means a lot, neuro means a lot, empathy means disease condition. Oh, neuro means nerve, empathy means disease condition. Now, now we have a similar problem with nutritional polyneuropathy. And nutritionally, of course, it has to do with ingestion of food and absorption of food. And the only thing that we're going to find that it's a little extra in what we have is that instead of nutritional, we're going to find nutritional deficiency, which makes sense because here they tell you nutritional, but they imply that there's something wrong with it, which the deficiency would be totally appropriate as a concept. Okay, and now a review quickly of how to code these cases. First, you code the peripheral nervous system code here, right? We're going to look for that, and there's going to be a code here, and then it tells us to first code the underlying condition, which we're going to have here, the additional code for the nutritional part. So this is the polyneuropathy, and this is the nutritional part. Okay. All right. Stefan is going to do all the coding, all the looking at the codes, the two codes that we need, while I hold the camera. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we start. How do we start? Let me give a quick shot to the path, because we always have a path for these codes, and we should show it to you so you can pause it and analyze the path if you're interested. We're not going to follow the path on the screen, but actually doing it on the book. Okay? Mm-hmm. So, how do we start?
First, we go to the index.
We go to the index, and then
go for P for polyneuropathy.
Polyneuropathy. And let me point at that. It's right here, okay? And then
we go down.
What are we looking for?
We're looking for nutritional.
Nutritional, okay. It's not
here.
Down to the end, so we go to the next page. And we find it.
Here we go.
Let me see. Nutritional deficiency. Right?
Right. That's
why we were telling you that it doesn't say only nutritional, but deficiency, which is consistent with what we want. And NEC means?
Is not
elsewhere
classified.
Classified, right? Okay. So that is what we need. Now, there are two codes there, right?
Right.
The code for the nerve bar is a G code, so it's G63. And the underlying condition, the nutritional part, is E63.9. So we're going to write those codes here in our little table. Okay, first, the one for the nerve part, which is G63. And it says code first the underlying condition. So we go back and we code first the underlying condition, which would be
E63.9.
Okay, now we're going to check these codes in the tabular, and that would be the end of the problem, right? So we're going to check the G63 first. We go to G63. And it's easy to check because it consists of only 3 characters. So all we have to do is just go to G63, and we see that. What does it say?
It says polyneuropathy and disease classified elsewhere.
All right, and as we were anticipating, it says code first the underlying disease, and do we have something with metabolic there?
We the metabolic.
Or nutritional is what we're looking for, right?
Right. All the way down is nutritional deficiency.
Nutritional deficiency, right? And it gives you a range. Nutritional deficiency E40 to E64. It means it could be any of those codes, are from E40 to E64. But we already have one code in the index, so all we have to do is first check that it falls between this range. Hold on a second. The code that we have here is E63.9, right? And the range that we have is, where's the range?
E40.
E40 to E64. So E63.9 falls within the range. So we're on the right path. So let's look to E63.9 and see if it's what we need. E63. E63. What does it say? Other nutritional deficiencies, right? And 9, it says for?
Nutritional deficiency unspecified.
Unspecified. Why? Because they don't tell us any other thing that's just nutritional. So that means that it's unspecified. If they gave us more information, then it would be something else. But now it's unspecified because all they said is nutritional, right? Because there's a nutritional polyneuropathy. We have just one word, so this must be the code. E63.9. So we're confirmed. So we have the two codes confirmed, G63 as the code for polyneuropathy and E63.9 as the code for the underlying condition or nutritional deficiency. And as a last step, we check in the book because we have the answers in the book. And where is it? Nutritional polyneuropathy right there. And the code is E63.9 plus G63. Which is exactly what we found. Thanks for watching.